overwhelmed with all this beauty here.
Wow.
I know, this is my, you like this one, huh? Yes.
All right.
This is my friend Kwame, and Kwame got my attention and dragged me all the way over here, and so that I would look at his stuff. Thank you.
So you're adding to your collection.
I think so.
All right. So where the rest of your cloths that you purchased today?
I have all of them at home already. I bought about 6 pieces of them.
What about the ones you bought today?
I'm just starting. Just getting started today. This is what I look at. Thank you. Thank you. And show me what you got too. I want to see what you got so we can compare.
All right. Keep racking up. Keep racking up. Keep racking up.
15, 30.
Hello, Sass.
Hey, we're here.
How's shopping going?
It's going well. I've got a nice
Collection.
Kente that I'm very pleased with at a very fair price.
Okay, let's go.
Don't you want to shop some more? What you got? You smiling
I have
about?
to say though that when you come in here, you need to be prepared to negotiate.
Yeah. Prepared
And
for.
from the West, we're not used to bargaining like this way and kind of being bombarded. So you just make sure that you know it's not a matter of just kind of looking and there's prices. You're going to have to negotiate. So,
Yeah.
but it's good. But
Yeah, this has been my fourth time here, and it's one of my favorite villages, Bonwire. This one, come in. Every time I come, we see it. And I saw another friend of mine over there. His name is Boss Man. That's right. It's good. I think everybody's pleased with the fair.
All right, Lee. What are you buying?
I want to buy a Kente cloth, but I don't know how much it is.
Yeah, Boss Man.
Woo! We got some sales over here.
6, 7, 8. Which one? You have one? Okay, you have one.
Are you some single panel?
Family, when you come here, make sure you have a whole lot of money. It's so many incredible things that you can purchase.
Thank you.
You're officially at the Kente Weaving Factory, Bonwire, here in Kumasi, Ghana.
I've been looking for you. Yeah, you know really. What a nice place where you could get any type of design and textile you like at an affordable price. These are be how much? Big piece. How many yards? 10 yards. 10 yards go for how much? Only 650. 650 Ghana. Let me open up this. Okay. I golden stool. Yeah, the golden stool. Golden stool. Yeah. It take you about 3 months before you finish something like this. Okay. So you can see it's not that expensive, but it's a little bit affordable. I like you. I will do this one. How much? Make it 550 for the whole piece. Yeah, how much do you have?